All right, it is the morning of. The sun's not even out. I'm a couple minutes away from the lake. It is cold. It is cold. I'm gonna go register here. And then we'll go see if we can win us a derby. All right, I am already camped out at my spot. I got what I wanted. 15 minutes away from start. You can see there's no judges nearby, unfortunately. So I'm probably gonna have to run down there to get them the first couple times again. We'll see, but at least I got my spot. So let's get them. It is 6:30. About to get started. No judge nearby, so I'm gonna have to walk all the way down there again. It says, has it begun? I haven't heard anything. People seem to be fishing, so I guess. Well, it's almost 6:35, so I'm gonna start, I guess. Here we go. Here we go. Fish? Oh boy, here we go. Trying to get the judge.
You're back again today?
Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm going after the little guys today, though. Got a fish over here. It's a little guy over here. I don't know if you're measuring these guys or not.
Yep.
I'm probably gonna be in this corner, banging a lot of these fellas.
What's your name?
Dale's water.
Dale.
Yes, yes, sir.
Spell it.
DALE.
Yeah.
ZAW.
CAW.
ADA.
That's 6 inches.
6?
Yeah.
And what kind of fish is that?
It's a bluegill, yeah. I'm probably gonna be calling you guys a lot.
Okay.
So just so you know, thank you. All right, let's get it going. Come here, big boy. It's a beast. Yeah, I'll meet you halfway, I guess.
About 6 again. Same type.
Is it most or biggest?
Biggest.
Biggest, okay.
So I just leave it. I'm not gonna.
Yes, yeah. Cool. Thank you. Biggest. Yeah, apparently it's biggest panfish, so I might have to up my hook size.
How old is the biggest panfish too?
I think that's the only panfish one. I just asked him. Oh, that's a bigger one. Look at that tail. Thank you, buddy. Little buddy.
Yep, 6.5.
6.5. Come on, be big. Be big. Ah. Might be long.
and a half.
Thank you.
It's about 6 again.
Thank you, bluegill. Maybe. Maybe. Now I do the long walk to the judge and the judge's friend. Because that's fair. That's the winner right there, I'm telling you right now. You stop. He's at least fat.
It's about another 7.
Cool. I think during a fishing derby, about isn't really what you want to hear for measurements. I think you want to hear 7-1. Oh, 7. So I think I'm about to lose. Okay. Wasn't trying to catch bass, but angler's gonna angle. Angler's gonna angle. Now the long walk. The long, long walk. Fish. Judge, fish.
Get a picture of that one.
Gotta do a side by side with that little guy.
An 11 inch. That's a bass, right?
Yeah. The horn has sounded. The derby is over. Let's go see who won. I have a feeling I know who it is.
Yeah, you got that.
So we need Dale, Molly, and
Dale, Molly, and who else?
Sweet.
Sure.
Oh, I'm coming here?
Oh, here?
We do.
All right.
Joe, I got
Oh, get it.
Turn around now, please.
come on over here if you got a plus. Here you go.
All right, we need the 3 winners together. And then the other.
What were the names?
Rick Zager got a 25-inch catfish, and Dale Abrechta got a 19-inch.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's awesome.
And
Cool, cool.
Molly got a
Oh, nice. All right, that's going to do it. I did not win the Orland Hills Fishing Derby. The judge's friend did, though, which is always fun. And I saw it coming a mile away. I called it out in the video. I said, why is that judge? Why is that reporter just hanging out with these people? Okay, they're obviously friends. Probably going to win. And sure enough. And what was frustrating is every time I would catch a bluegill, I would have to take it all the way over there to the friends and the judge and then come all the way back and start fishing again. So that probably cut 10 minutes off of my 90-minute session there, which is unfortunate. And I really knew things were going to go bad when I would bring the bluegill up and he would measure it, he'd put it up to the ruler, and he would say, about 6 inches, about 7 inches. About? You got a ruler, son. Use it. So yeah, it was at about that time where I knew there was no way I was gonna win. Obviously, they were friends, not really measuring the fish accurately to begin with. It was done from the start, which sucks. You know, it sucks. Caught a lot of fish, had a good time until I figured out what was happening. Caught a bass on accident. Caught 2 actually. One of them was that 11-incher. just on accident. I was slaying them. Couldn't stop me. I'm out there catching bass on accident. But ended up with the loss. And that's fine. You're going to lose a lot more fishing derbies than you're going to win. But it's just how I lost. That's just, come on. Come on, Orland Hills Recreation Department. You got, man, whether it's your open gym or it's your fishing derbies, you guys always on the struggle bus. My favorite part was at the end. Because I said, Dale, you know, maybe you're being paranoid. Dale, maybe you're being cynical. Just because they're friends, that doesn't mean she's going to win. You know? So at the end of the derby, they sound the horn, and we all go up to the tent to see who won. I'm going to call these names. And she says, okay, we need Roger, we need Molly, we need Dale. And I was like, oh, see, Dale, see? All that cynical thinking for no reason. You won, you did it, back to back 2 times. And so they're handing out the plaques for bass, panfish, catfish. He gets a plaque, he gets a plaque, she gets a plaque. And I'm standing there in the winner's circle. I was like, I swear she called my name. But they have plaques and I don't. And I'm standing here looking a little foolish. So I walk over and I say, what are those names again? And she says, you know, Dale Rogerson. And I'm like, well, there's more than one Dale in the world. You can't just call out the first name. I'm standing next to some other Dale who won the catfish or bass. Oh, the Orland Hills Recreation Department. Can they do anything right? I don't think they can. So yeah, I didn't win. I tried my hardest, caught a lot of fish, had some fun up until that moment. But what can you do? It's mid-September now. There's only a couple months tops of fishing here in this area before it's too cold to do so. So I'm going to end this video, get cracking on. You know what's coming. You know what's coming. Last video I did one of these. It was a nightmare. But this time's going to be different. That's right. Coming soon. MTB Slam. September.